Hello you guys, welcome. I'm Parshvika. Welcome to the channel where we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at the Teepublic. I haven't made a video about the Teepublic in quite a while. It's been like months. I think I've talked a little bit about when they introduced the tie-dye t-shirts on their platform, but haven't much lately. But I feel like I want to talk about the Teepublic. So today we're going to take a look at the Teepublic, what's selling on the platform at the time of filming this video. We're going to take some design ideas, niche ideas. So if you're interested in selling on Teepublic, or are you selling on the Teepublic, hopefully this video will going to help you bring in more sales. Let's dive in. Give this video a big thumbs up, consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification. Guys, do subscribe to my channel, so whenever I upload videos, you'll get notified about it. I do have courses, ebooks, guides, planner, workbooks, and I do have Teepublic courses. The link is in description. If you're interested in selling, make sure you check it out. It's definitely going to help you. Some are free products, some are paid. You can check it out. Anyway, let's dive into my laptop and we'll see that. So here we are on the Teepublic homepage, and at the time of filming this video, they are having back to school, because at this is time when the back to school niches are very popular, also in Zazzle, Redbubble, Teepublic, everywhere in the space, because people are buying back to school. So this is around the time of the mid-July. So if you decided to sell the back to school niche, you can still target them right now, because people do buy in August as well. So you can still target, but don't target at the late July. Then it's gonna be quite late. But you can target it right now if you are watching this video at the time of me posting it around the mid-July. Okay, so these are the niches and designs that you can target with the back to school. You can take a look at them, and these are also the keywords and the title that you can use in the keywords and the tags as well. Well, you can see it's a simple text-based design, peace, love, lunch, and a little bit graphics are there. Now, Teepublic is quite different platform than Zazzle. Zazzle is a template-based platform where people actually added the designs at their name, logo, year, date, address, image, whatever. Here they cannot do it. They have to purchase it like that only, just like the Redbubble and other platforms, other print-on-demand platform. So the designs, you can see it's pretty simple, especially with this ear. Now that's what the thing about when you are using the ear on the platform, when there is no template, people may buy at the time of the year or may not be at later on, but it's kind of like a limitation. They cannot change the year. But on Zazzle, they can change the year. They can write this 2025 or whatever year they want to prefer. That's kind of like a limitation on the Teepublic, but I still love the platform. This is my second favorite platform after Zazzle, because this platform is pretty simple, pretty straightforward, nothing much fancy going around, not that much products is there. Now, of course, I do love more products and I do love inventory as they have on the Zazzle, but then this is very simple and straightforward platform, and that's the beauty that I like about it anyways. And I still make sales every single month. So yeah, so you can see the text-based designs mostly, a little bit graphics here and there. And this is like kind of like congregation, you done it. Now congregation, it's a simple text-based design, but then this congregation is actually catching the eyes of the, like catching the attention and eyes of the people, right? Let me just scroll down. Problem solver, math teacher, hashtag math teacher, simple text-based designs. So this is the back to school t-shirts. Now of course they do have the stickers and phone covers and tapestry, other products as well, but t-shirts sell most of the times on their platform. Anyways, these are also the niches that you can target: the music, movies, sports, animals, television, funny, vintage. You can also target these designs, these niches, but then you have to sub niche down, because they could be very, very competitive if you just go in. For example, if I take a look at the vintage, let's go take a look at the vintage. Now, these are the keywords and design ideas that you can probably hang on. Retro designs is kind of like a trend going around also on the Zazzle, also on the Redbubble. I've seen on the platform retros are quite popular. Not just this year, it's been from 2022 since been. That's what I'm seeing. Now, this is like this is like the design that I've seen quite a lot many times, not just on the Teepublic. I also seen on the Redbubble, Etsy, and also on the Amazon. Simple text-based design. Now this is like a vintage, so obviously you need to sub niche down and you need to pick up your niche. Now I never target vintage. Vintage is not my thing, so I'm not gonna go that much detail. But if vintage is your thing, you can very well do the research and find the design ideas and product ideas from here. let's just go back to the homepage and see what the homepage is there, because I love the homepage of every platform because it's very juicy and they showcase their new products, trending products, what's selling on the platform, bestsellers, and all that stuff. So another niche that's trending right now is the beach, because it's the time of the summer at the time of filming this video, the traveling, vacation, all that stuff. Hats on to you. The hats is like I think it's their new product. It's been few weeks or months. I don't really remember when they launched it, but they are actually having the hats on the homepage. So that's interesting. Other than t-shirt, you can sell the hats. Now these are their best sellers. Now the designs is retro, music, vintage. So they have combined the three niches together. Wow. Retro, music, and vintage. It's kind of like a bridging the gap between the niches, and that's why they are probably the best sellers, because the people looking for retro, music, vintage will going to come across their design, their products, and more likely to buy because they are combining all these niches together. That's what I always say about bridging the gap between the two niches. Now, no disassemble. I'm actually in my 40s. This is also the niche that I've seen quite a well selling on the Zazzle. Especially like 40s, I'm in my 40s, I'm in my 30, kind of like a 30 birthday or 40 birthday or 40th anniversary or something around those lines. This is another design that I've already talked about, Big Warps ice cream. These are the best sellers, guys. You can take a look at them and you can see why they are best sellers. Well, these are the niches that I use, this kind of the designs that I usually don't target, so I'm not going to go much into them, but you can take a look at that. You can also take a look at the artists who are already selling on the platform and see their store, what they're selling, and get the inspiration and idea from them. Never ever copy these designers or the products, but you get the ideas what's selling in the platform at the time of filming this video. And you can note down the ideas or keywords or design ideas or niches, whatever. And let me know in the comment section below, are you selling on the Teepublic? Do you make money with the Teepublic, or are you considering to start selling on the Teepublic? Let me know in the comment section below. And guys, I do have an affiliate link to my Teepublic, because Teepublic has a program which is very rare program I never see on other print-on-demand platform, is that whenever an artist or creator create an account and create a store using your link or using my link, and if they bring in sales for their store, I'm going to receive $1 for every product sold up to $1,000, which is pretty amazing. Like, it's an affiliate income. I don't have to do anything. So if you're interested in selling on the platform and you're new, then consider clicking on the link. That's an affiliate link in the description, and I would just receive $1 if you bring in sale, whatever. Thank you so much for that. If you're interested, the link is in description. If not, you simply go on a Google and type teepublic.com and create an account. So let me know your questions, your video topics in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning this video. I'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.